Welcome to Solo TV 84 and Cryptos for Dummies. I'm your gracious host, Solo. I'm the creator of the Transcender Cryptocurrency course for beginners. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, the history of cryptos, how to get started, what to look for, how to be able to vet a coin properly, make sure to sign up for the course. We're having great reviews. A lot of people are finding it very easy and they're learning, and people are already making buku money, okay? Or cryptos. Facts. Now, let's take a look at the market here real quick today. So, Bitcoin is at $56,321.85. Ethereum is at $2,219.30. XRP at 139. And of course, Doge. Let's bring up Doge. 38 cents, right? It was at 41 cents at one point earlier this morning. But let's address the elephant in the room. Why did Bitcoin crash this weekend? What happened? Why did the crypto market crash? It seems that the only coins that were impervious to the crash was Doge, Safemoon, and some other coins. Okay, let's take a look here at this article by CoinDesk. Latest Bitcoin crash shows buy the dip mentality among big investors, okay? Our desk has been a net purchaser over the past 24 to 48 hours. Greg Cipollaro, global head of research at NYDIG, a Bitcoin-focused investment manager, wrote on Monday in an email to subscribers. Greg published the comments after Bitcoin tumbled from a record high above 64,000 last week to as low as $51,541 early Sunday. The largest cryptocurrency was changing hands around $55,400 as of 12:37 p.m. Eastern Time. Bitcoin's price is still up 89% this year amid speculation that big investors are using the largest cryptocurrency as a hedge against inflation, following trillions of dollars of pandemic-related economic stimuluses over the past year by the governments and central banks around the world. Institutional investors have had buy-the-dip mentality during these risk-off events, suggesting increasing ease with handling Bitcoin's volatility. Okay, so here's the thing. Now, some people are saying that this sell-off was market manipulation to shake out weak hands, right? Now, what are weak hands? Weak hands are retail investors, regular people like you and I, to shake them out. And then some people, also think that this was because of a tweet that the U.S. Treasury was going to charge some banks or institutions with money laundering, right? And as of right now, there's no facts to back this up or nothing substantiative to back that up. And so what do I think? Once again, this is my opinion, based off of speculations and rumors. It's not financial advice. What I think it's a combination of things. I think it's manipulations by the whales, and I think that it was also then nobs or people who are just getting into the market panic selling, and so I think that's what it is. But you guys know my motto, right? Buy the dip. That's right. So I bought the dip, and I got into Safemoon, okay? And boy, am I glad that I did. Now, there is a false misconception that Safemoon is a meme coin. No, Safemoon is a protocol decentralized DeFi token, okay? Now, according to Safemoon's website, Safemoon has 3 functions that take place during each trade: reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. Safemoon's protocol is a combination of RFI tokens and an auto liquidity generating protocol. According to an article, Safemoon plans to develop a non-fungible token NFT exchange as well as charity projects and crypto educational apps. Now, what's dope about Safemoon is that they burn coins continuously, which will help raise the value up, right? Because they got a lot of them. However, there is 11% fee that the creator of Safemoon gets. So there are pros and cons to Safemoon. Now, I just put it in that a little bit. And by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you jump into this, because we need to really break this down with what's going on with Doge. And we'll do that here in a moment. But you know, when I got into this, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna put in a little bit of money. Oh, by the way, the Whitepaper website ain't working. Okay. I'm just gonna get, you know, I'm just gonna put a little bit of money in there. So I just put a little bit, and am I glad I did, right? Because in 2 days, my initial investment has already 4x'd. Okay, now this is the Safemoon website right here, and you know, it's one of these things where, you know, you look at the roadmap, right? This is why it's important to check the white paper, guys, as part of your research, okay? So what they're trying to do in Q2, this is where we at right now, is the Whitebit tokenomics integration will be completed along with the completion of the Safemoon app, wallet, and game. So we're waiting for that. The BitSmart integration with tokenomics will also be completed in this quarter. We will begin architecting the NFT exchange as well as video game integration. So they have big plans going on. And I highly recommend that you do your own research, DYO, do your own research, right? Do your own research, right? Do your own research and check it out. Like I said, I'm not telling you invest in this. That's not what I'm telling you. I'm just telling you that when this weekend, when everything went down, I bought the dip. I bought some Safemoon. And yes, I also did buy some Shiba Inu coin, which is like the cousin of Dogecoin. But let's talk about Doge real quick. Dogecoin on the rise. What's behind the meme coin surge? How far could it go? We got to talk about this because I know a lot of people are baffled at this. Let's talk about this. Okay, so Dogecoin was founded in 2013 to poke fun at other alternative coins, vying to challenge Bitcoin's dominance. Is now being viewed as a legitimate investment by Redditors and crypto fiends alike. Its name is in reference to a meme about a talking Shiba Inu dog. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, with poor grammar, with catchphrases such as "Match wow" and "very concerned" and such Doge. The coin's individual price, which was worth around 40 cents as of 8 a.m. on April 20th, had surged 16% in the previous 24 hours. Doge right now is at, where's Doge at? It's at 38.7 cents still. Okay, let's go back to this here. Dogecoin has risen more than 8,500% so far in 2021. Okay, it's the same way that the GameStop frenzy was pitched as a battle play of Wall Street versus the little guy. Dogecoin is being pitched as a battle play against the well-established crypto giants like Bitcoin. Here's everything you need to know about Dogecoin and where it could be headed. Why is this happening? Momentum first started appearing behind Dogecoin earlier this month as traders eager to find the next big hit after the excitement around the GameStop and other meme stock faltered gathered on platforms like Reddit. The online discussion forum recently lifted its ban on discussing cryptocurrencies, which celebrities such as Tesla boss Elon Musk and rapper Snoop Dogg also voiced their support for the meme coin. Now let's be honest here, guys, okay? Dogecoin is, you know, when people say, well, what's the functionality or utility, it's basically just it's a meme coin that can just be used as a form of payment, right? That's it. I mean, but really, they don't have a team right now that is you know, building Dogecoin up. I mean, there's been no, when I say building Dogecoin up, I mean, there's no plans to like advance Dogecoin to the next level. There's no plans to make it adapt into the next level. There's nobody working on it. Now, I have heard rumors that the CEO or founder of Doge is coming back to Doge and maybe upgrading it or working on doing so. I don't know, once again, but there's no team overseeing it. And last time I heard, it's actually Litecoin miners that are mining Doge, according to Charles Hoskinson. Shout out to him. In the same way that GameStop frenzy was pitched as battle play of Wall Street versus the little guy, Dogecoin is being pitched as a battle play against the well-established crypto giants like Bitcoin, said Nigel Green. But revolutionary effort against dominance of Bitcoin isn't the only reason behind Dogecoin's rise. Well, as I said before in a previous video, Dogecoin's rise is because of Elon Musk. If you want to have somebody promote your product, who better to promote your product than one of the richest men in the world, right? And at one point, he was the richest man in the world. If the richest man in the world promotes your product, you don't think people are going to buy it? If Jeff Bezos promoted my Trendsetter cryptocurrency course, you don't think that, signups would skyrocket to the moon? Come on, let's not be disingenuous. If you have the richest man or one of the richest men promoting your product or your coin, it's going to help it. That's automatic. Another reason is the younger generation love Dogecoin. You know, the Generation Z kids, TikTok, Twitter, all these social media platforms. And as well as right now, one thing that you're noticing in the crypto market, and we'll talk about that more, is everybody's looking for the next GameStop, okay? We can assume that many people have been buying Dogecoin not because they think it has any real value, but because they hope others will get FOMO and jack the price up, then they can sell it off and make a quick profit. Right. And Charles Hoskinson, the founder and CEO of ADA, salute to him, he made a very valid point that Dogecoin, a lot of people who are getting into Dogecoin, they're going to get wrecked. They're going to get wrecked because they're going to buy a bunch of Doge. They're going to keep seeing it go up, and they're going to keep FOMOing up. And then, there's going to be the sell-off. And from what I believe is that the 90% of Dogecoin is earned by like 12 people or something like that. So Dogecoin is very, top heavy, meaning that the people who hold the most Doge, they can control how Doge moves, whenever they want, however they want, because they have so much of it. Okay. How much further can Dogecoins go? Dogecoin is the new GameStop, said Green, who has previously appeared as a prominent cryptocurrency bull. But this is not typically the way reasoned, savvy investors should strategize to create and build their portfolios in order to reach their financial goals. Guys, I'm so glad that he brought that up. Look, guys, I'm not gonna cap. I bought some Doge back on March the 15th. I bought $100. April 15th, I checked it again. It went up to $318. I was like, oh, okay. Guess what? I put in another 150 or 250. I don't remember, but 150 or 250, right? Then literally I went to the gym a couple hours later, and then Dogecoin went nuts. It went up to like 40 cents. I looked at my portfolio, and it went up to my portfolio for Dogecoin was at like $1,200, okay? Here's the thing, guys. I've already taken out profits. Well, I haven't taken profits. What I did is I took a little bit of the Doge and then I flipped it into another coin, right? Here's the thing. Don't get wrecked. A lot of new people are going to come in and everybody thinks that they can calculate where the top is, right? Everybody thinks that they can calculate where the top is. But see, for me, I got to keep it real. When I look at Dogecoin, right? When I look at Dogecoin, you can't tell me that it's not in a bubble or it's about to be, right? And I'm not saying that Dogecoin is evil or bad. I mean, there are pros and cons. The pros is it's bringing in a lot of enthusiasm to the market. A lot of the youth, as my advisor Trojan, the Theta loves me like to say, aka Trojan, the magician. Shout out to Trojan, the youth, right? You got a lot of Generation Z kids that are getting into Doge. I've got people hitting me up that they are into cryptocurrency because of Dogecoin, right? My photographer, as you guys know him, shout out to Maya Got Photography, who is we've done videos together and whatnot, prank videos when I used to do that. He got into Dogecoin when Dogecoin was 5 cents, okay? And so he got into Doge when it was 5 cents. So good for him, But here's the thing. The youth are driving this up. But this is not based off of, when you look at this, this is not based off of the tech of Doge or the fact that Doge is revolutionizing something or bringing something in. It's because of the fact that everybody's looking for the next GameStop. And here's the thing. There's nothing wrong with trying to come up and get money. But if you don't know what you're doing, or you become too greedy, and this is what happens, right? I've seen this in 2017. I've dealt with it myself, where I put money into coins that I thought were gonna pop, and then guess what? Now those coins don't even exist anymore. I got wrecked because of greed. So what I'm saying is, guys, don't get greedy. DMX, may he rest in peace. Don't get greedy, you know? And that's a DMX song. Meanwhile, Hargreaves Lansdowne senior investment analyst Susanna Streeter added that investors should be wary of the herd mentality because Dogecoin is very much a speculative bet whose valuation has no reliable basis. The demand has come from traders trying to game the system and others hoping to benefit from future price rises, rather than use the coin as means of exchange, Streeter said. Predicting the point at which demand subsides and prices begin to fall is very difficult. It's not impossible, and people risk getting their fingers seriously burned. However, Maddie Greenspan, crypto investor and founder of Quantum Economics, noted that Dogecoin failed to fall over the weekend when the price of major cryptocurrencies slipped. Okay? Then that is true. Dogecoin was impervious. It was only Dogecoin and Safemoon and a bunch of other coins, no-name coins really, smaller coins, that were impervious to this weekend's hit. Considering that the Dow Jones Industrial Average has risen less than 20% within this time, it's safe to say that teens on TikTok are literally crushing it in comparison, Greenspan wrote in his newsletter on April the 16th. And the more economists try to laugh it off or suppress it, the more it will come back to the fore with a vengeance. And this is what makes 2021 so different, guys, than 2017. Once again, he talks about the teens on TikToks, the youth, as Trojan likes to say, right? The youth are going to dictate a lot of the cryptocurrency market in the future. Because guess what? The baby boomers, they don't believe in crypto. They don't, right? It's the youth that will decide. It's the millennials and Generation Z. This is our time. This is our time to get it. You feel me? And the youth are gonna decide. Like, you say, yo, Bitcoin is number one. Nah, the youth is gonna say, no, we're gonna push up Doge. You see how they pushed up Doge to be number 5 right now, ranked in terms of the coins, right? The youth will decide what coin is gonna be popping or not. And this is why, if you are a financial advisor or investor, this and that, now this has thrown, when you have something like Dogecoin coming out of left field, it shows obviously the volatility in the crypto market and unpredictability, and you know, the wild card factor, right? But this is what investing and trading is about. You never know which coin can come up. Because of its status as a meme coin, Dogecoin often is not even available for purchase in some of the larger platform exchanges such as Coinbase and Bitstamp. This has led revival exchanges such as Kraken to capitalize on the movement. However, thanks to the recent rally for Bitcoin, some companies are eager not to be left on the back foot again. Okay? Newegg, a PC and gaming company, said on April 16th that it was considering accepting Dogecoin as a payment option in future. So Dogecoin is already showing usage. So when people say, well, what utility does it have? Well, it's a form of payment, right? But like I said, on the con side, there is no updates being done to Doge. There are no updates. Nobody's working on actively enhancing Doge to, you know, to make it compete in the future. You know, like, let's just be honest. It's just being driven right now by the youth, by the marketing, i.e. Elon Musk, Snoop Dogg, social media, and also, yeah. Oh, wait, Mark Cuban as well. Billionaire entrepreneur and owner of Dallas Mavericks basketball team, owner Mark Cuban, also said that the team will accept Dogecoin alongside other cryptocurrencies as payment for tickets and merchandise. Now that is great news. Now that is news that I want to hear about, right? I want to hear about what are the usage for Dogecoin in regards to who's going to accept Dogecoin as a payment. So I like that. For those who of you who'd like to learn more about Dogecoin, we strongly encourage you to talk to your teenagers who are on TikTok and ask them about it. They will be able to explain it. And you know what? This is sad because this shows you how Generation Y and the baby boomers, they're not really into cryptocurrency. It's the Generation Z and millennials that are into cryptocurrency. This is sad that you have an article stating that if parents want to learn more about Doge, they should talk to their teenagers about it. No, what parents need to do, and I'm glad they brought this up, what parents need to do is do their own research. You shouldn't have to ask your kids about something in regards to a financial investment or something that is public, information that you can get. It's Dogecoin, there's plenty of websites talking about Doge. Now, yeah, you can ask your kid and you can say, well, you know, it's a cute little dog coin, but then what? Is he gonna be able to tell you anything else? No. So I highly recommend that if you're a parent, do your own research. This is why it's so invaluable to do your own research. And shame on an FNN in London telling people to ask their kids about it. I mean, yeah, you can ask your kids about it in a sense of what they know about it, what they think it's good for. But don't take your kid's word verbatim and say, okay, well, my kid says it's this and that, and then go on with your life. No. Do your own research, study it so you know what it is. You know, but here's the sad part. Some parents may not even realize it, but their kids may have put money in Doge, and now their kids have a big bag, and they don't even realize that because their kids ain't saying nothing. They keeping that bag on the low. Okay. Now let's take a look here at the most visited coins here in the last 24 hours. Safemoon is going crazy right now. Oh my goodness. Dogecoin doing its thing. Shiba Inu doing its thing. These are all meme coins. By the way, Shiba, I told you guys that I bought the dip in Shiba, right? And this is a meme coin. No cap. I mean, look at this. Like straight like a, you know what? I mean, this is... oh my God, man. Yo, bro. This is a meme coin, bro. Yeah, this is gonna... oh, man. This is a meme coin. I mean, when you read about it, their description is something about the website proclaims many doggy wars have been waged over precious treasure and delicious goodies, right? And so once again, people have to understand, like, when you look at these coins, right? How do you know, okay, VeChain, you guys already know I rock with VeChain, ADA, dope coins, but how do you know these coins are good? How do you know these coins are, you're not gonna get wrecked? And this is why if you're a beginner, I highly recommend that you get my Trends to the Cryptocurrency course, because we talk about, you know, how to research a cryptocurrency. You know what I mean? That's one of the parts that we spend time on, understanding how to read the white paper, market cap, understanding how to, you know, figure out the team, the social media hype, and how to read between the lines and all of that, okay? So I highly recommend that you guys that are beginners looking to get the Trends of the Cryptocurrency course. Also for you guys out here, once again, stay safe with your investment in these meme coins. Like I said, Safemoon, I don't consider Safemoon a meme coin. It's a DeFi, okay? And Safemoon has done very well for me. Now Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, yeah, I consider those meme coins for sure. Safe Mars, I mean, I was looking at that a little bit. Once again, meme coin. These coins, look, these coins are all meme coins, and everybody, and you know, there's somebody, I believe on Reddit, they put a bunch of money on different meme coins, and they hit like 90 million bucks. I mean, look, a lot of these meme coins, 90% of them are gonna fail, okay? Doge is gonna, you know, even with Doge I think is gonna be around. But these other coins, they're gonna, 90% of them are gonna fail. And so I'm not here once again to tell you get into these coins. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying if you get into them, do your research, man. Because 90% of these coins are gonna flop. Now, if you're looking to pump and dump, okay, that's your strategy. You know, once again, I mean, that's up to you. I'm not here to tell you what to do, okay? So anyway, this is what's going on in the crypto market. This is one of my longer videos, but you know, I had to really catch up with y'all to let you guys know what's going on. I'm not panicking, as you guys can see. I'm about to dip. I put it into other cryptos, and I'm very excited for May and June. I think a lot of us are antsy right now to get into the summer and really see how cryptos is gonna start going up, juking and moving, going up. VeChain has remained steady as well, even during the dip. It's dipped, but VeChain has really gone up to 25 cents at one point. So I'm very, very bullish on VeChain. I don't even try to hide it. Shout out to the Theta gang in the building. You know Thetas. You know what I mean? Will Tron ever be alive again? I got a little bit of Tron. I'm surprised, you know? If any meme coin would have popped off, I thought it would be Tron. Because Tron CEO, founder, he's very good at marketing. So I don't know why he hasn't been able to capitalize off that hype. Dash. Shout out to, Bill from Token Metrics, I believe. He's very bullish on Dash. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's it right now, guys. We will definitely have a crypto live stream this weekend and whatnot. And once again, I appreciate all of you. If you want to donate and send me some Ethereum, some Bitcoin, or any other crypto, let me know and I'll put in the description. You know what I'm saying? If you want to give me some Theta for free, I'll gladly take it. I mean, you Theta guys are some of the most stingiest guys, man. I mean, I put y'all all on game. I mean, I need that thing.
Dom the Monko.